Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Axelar token. Now the Axelar token is just about to be listed on a central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. Before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here, the Axelar token. So this token's just about to be listed tomorrow, September 27th at 9 o'clock UTC time on Mexc Global. Now, if you don't have an Mexc Global account and you're looking to get this token, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you would just go right through that Mexc referral code down there, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search AXL, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then you simply just buy the token. It's that easy. So if you want to find their official webpage, it is Axelar Core, their Twitter is at Axelar Core. Their webpage is axelar.network. Now their Twitter has 68,300 followers, so they're doing very well. It says, secure cross-chain communication DApp user interact with any asset or app on-chain with just one click. Axelar powers the cross-chain future. Axelar delivers secure cross-chain communication for Web3. Our infrastructure enables DApp users to interact with any asset or application with just one click on the chain. Add interoperability to your DApp. Now DApps can communicate across chains using Turing complete calls and messages on a permissionless proof-of-stake transport layer. It's got universal asset transfer. Send your tokens across chain via any wallet or central exchange. Universal asset transfer and general message passing. Send any payload with a single smart contract call. There's different documents on both of those things there. And yeah, so also now how Axelar works, it's beyond bridges. Axelar goes far beyond sending wrapped assets with general message passing, which carries any payload securely cross-chain. Applications can call any function on any connected chain and deliver a one-click experience for users on any other connected chain. This is a new kind of DApp development that puts users first and lets developers build on the platform best suited to their use case. It's got secure cross-chain communication. Cross-chain communication is easy. Secure cross-chain communication is hard. Most solutions today are permissioned multisigs based on proof of authority, which has lost hundreds of millions in security exploits. Axelar's network security is based on delegated proof of stake. A permissionless dynamic validator set applies to consensus approach that is similar to the network's Axelar connects. Build via API. Atop the Axelar stack sits an application development layer used to compose across any number of chains. Developers go cross-chain without new programming languages or added complexity. They focus on building the functionality that differentiates their app. So use cases, a generation of decentralized super apps will break down silos and span Web3. Native cross-chain dApps go way beyond bridges. So it's got composable liquidity. Create a cross-chain DEX or AMM that connects liquidity from multiple chains. Cross-chain governance. DAOs can coordinate activity anywhere on Web3. And cross-chain NFTs. DeFi use NFTs as collateral on other chains. Gaming, any asset anywhere becomes currency or credential. enable cross-chain communication for NFTs. Also, for gaming, build a one-click experience, enable users to interact with any chain. For DAOs, also, any application from any chain. And also for DeFi. So get involved with Axelar. There are many ways to get involved with Axelar, whether as a developer building cross-chain dApps and protocols, or as a community member helping discover what's possible in a cross-chain future. So you can communicate with people on Discord, Twitter, YouTube. There's a grant program. We're writing grants for teams building cross-chain super apps. There's an academy, our community-driven cross-chain learning resource. Want to learn more about Axelar? Build a one-click experience, enable users to interact with any asset, any application from any chain. And you can start building. There's different links at the bottom of the page. They have documents, GitHub, Block Explorer for developers, blogs, careers, team, white paper, satellite, liquidity academy, grant program, Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit, all sorts of stuff on here. If we go onto their white paper, it looks like it is a 15-page white paper on here. I'm just going to scroll down and see if they have tokenomics on here, because that's what they did not have on their web page. I would assume that the Mexc global announcement too would have tokenomics. No, so I don't see tokenomics on here. If you go over to their Mexc Global's Twitter, which is at Mexc_global, they have, let's see here, I'm pretty sure they have, yes, so they have a little section here, what is Axelar? So it says their total supply, 1 billion tokens. This one says their ticker symbol is WAXL. So I'm not sure now if it's AXL or WAXL. Because it's got AXL written in one spot, and then it's got WAXL written in another spot. Now they do have an ether scan on here. I could click on that. They also have, yeah, so lots of, all their socials are basically listed on the Mexc Global post as well. So I'm going to click on their Block Explorer here. Let's see. It says AXL on their Block Explorer, so I'm going to assume that's what it is. It says they have 79 holders so far, because it looks like people got it off Huobi before, but not many people. And so 6 decimal places on this token. You can find tons of socials and everything listed on their ether scan as well. And yeah, it looks like they have less tokens as well. I think there might have been burning or something. Let me check this out actually. So it says max total supply, or no, it says total supply 1 billion tokens, but then on here it says they have 6,773,000 max total supply. So yeah, I'm guessing there's a cross-chain token as well. So that's why, I don't know. I do not know. Their Etherscan has a different max total supply than the Mexc announcement. But anyways, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.